Hello and welcome to the AlphaCX how-to series. My name is Muna Wunju. I am the customer success lead at AlphaCX platforms. Today I'll be telling you how to create a user on your AlphaCX account. And when you get to the dashboard, of course, which is where you always arrive every time you log in, to create a user, you go straight to the settings and go to the user menu on the settings page. Once you tap the or click the user option on the settings page, it takes you to a page that gives you a run through of how many users you have on your account. So let's create a new user. To create a new user, you simply tap the button at the top here by the right that says new user, and when you tap it, you put in the details of the user involved. So for example, let's create me in this business, Muna Muju. So we have my email address. The email address is important because it would help the person to receive their login details, and it's also going to serve as a username for the user. So the username, the email address is going to be muna@mailinator.com. Okay. All right. So phone number is required for times when you start using, start integrating call center services on your AlphaCX app. So just for the sake of randomization, I'm just going to put a random number here. So I select the team she's going to be in, and that's a tag team, and the agent is going to be her role. Like I said before, there are 4 roles: an administrator, supervisor. Let's just make her an observer. And so let's create this user. So when she has been created as a user, I would get an email telling me to log in and also change my email, my password. So you see here on the Mailinator account, I can see this email already that has come in, and it says an account has been created for me on AlphaCX. I should see the details below. So the username is, like I said before, the email address. My password is this that has been generated by AlphaCX. I can just click here to log in, and it is strongly advised that I should change my password on my first login. So all I have to do now is click this, and I'll get to log in on my account. So that is how you create a new user on your AlphaCX account. When they get the email address, they see their credentials, they log in, change, like advised, their password to a stronger and better one. For passwords, it's safer to use at least 8 characters, 1 special character, at least 1 special number, or one number, sorry, and at least 1 caps lock or 1 capital letter. And that's it on this video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel in case you want to get notifications like new features that we have for you, as well as more videos on how to use our features better, as well as webinar videos that would help you with insightful information on how to manage your customer relationship much better. Until the next video, stay tuned.